Hello everyone, it's Cynthia, your host. Welcome to today's show. Well, today, come pack with me for my trip to Disney. That's right, I'm headed to Disney World and I'm so super excited to experience Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party and Jollywood Nights. This will be the first time that I've done the nighttime hard ticket exclusive events at Disney World. Yes, I've been to Disney World many times, and I've also been to nighttime events, but never the Christmas holiday nighttime events. So we're super excited. I'm getting ready to get it all together. The bed is full of stuff, and we're about to pack this all up. I thought this would be interesting to go ahead and do a video because as I pondered on the things that I would take, it kind of made sense to figure out how do you pack for a Christmas event in Disney World in the fall. I wasn't quite sure. And since these events run all the way through midnight, I realized what I ultimately have to do is layer up. So I wanted to show you what it looks like to pack with me to head to a trip to Disney in the fall for a Christmas event. Come on, let's go. What I decided to do to make this trip just a little bit easier, seeing as how we're headed to Orlando in fall. I live in Texas. I'm headed to Orlando. It's fall in the United States, but in southern countries, you know, fall could be a little different. So for the last several weeks, I've been looking up on the app the weather for Orlando, and I'm seeing things like 70, 75 in the daytime, down to 60s at night, and then dropping a little bit cooler while I'm still there to 60s in the daytime, dropping to some of the high 40s in the evening. So what I realized is I need to layer. I need to layer up. If I'm too hot, I can then remove some of those layers. And if it gets a little cold or chilly, I can throw on some additional layers. So I'm going to make this really simple and easy. I've decided, and that's what I have here, I'm going to make this a leggings kind of Christmas Disney trip. So what I've decided to do is I have several pair of leggings, and I'm going to show you the tops that I have decided to wear with the leggings, but I'm just doing simple leggings. I have a pair of black leggings on now that I'm going to also wear, but let me just show you. They're just simple leggings, a pair of black. I actually have 3 pairs of black leggings, and they are just a little different shades of black, but 3 pairs of black leggings, and then like a hunter green pair, just simple leggings. And then I also have 1 pair of jeans. I decided that I'm not going to do any shorts, no capris. I don't have any athletic dresses or skirts and nothing like that. It's all going to be leggings and 1 pair of jeans. I'm going to make it really simple. And then I'm going to dress it up, dress it down, make it holly jolly with the tops that I have worn. I think that's what the tops that I will wear. And I have just a few others that I wanted to show you. And I can take these off now. I also have it's almost like a sweatshirt, but once again, Christmassy kind, and it's a much heavier material. So this I can throw on at night, or if it's a little chillier day, I can layer up with this one on top, and it's still a holiday kind of theme. And then I have this one. It's a little lighter material, but still heavier. It's longer, and the sleeves are so very cute, and still very much that holiday theme that I can throw on if it's a little chilly, if I don't have it warm enough, like at night, because the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party and Jollywood Nights are both evening events. Well, they last all the way up until midnight, so it could definitely drop down and get pretty chilly. So just keeping something to layer up. And then I wanted to show you something else that I thought was so cute. Let me show you. I have a pair of ugly sweater earrings. I thought they were adorable. I'm going to try to make sure I can show them to you, and so that they focus. Adorable. I think these are so cute. I hope that you can see them. Very cute. Ugly sweater earrings. I have another shirt that it is a Christian themed shirt, and I think this is so adorable. You take a look at it and you probably think it's for Coca-Cola, but it's definitely not. It is my Christian themed shirt, and I just love this one. So this is also one that I'll wear possibly on our Disney Springs Day when we go to do the tree stroll. This could be a perfect time for that. One of my all-time favorite cartoon characters is Scooby-Doo. So I have some long Scooby-Doo socks to wear in my tennis shoes, sneakers as I'm walking through the park. A couple of pair of Christmas socks. I just thought these were so adorable. These are, it says Holiday Baking Team, and there's a gingerbread man and a gingerbread house. And then I have just some different colored snowflakes. They're also, I have the little tag is still in there, but they're also longer socks to wear. And I thought these were just really cute and holiday theme to wear in the parks as well. I do want to mention that all of the things that I'm going to talk about for packing will be listed down in the description below. And if you would like to support the channel, help us out, you can go to the description below, and in the description I will have a link to my Amazon store, and you can pick up the things that I'm going to show you, such as the packing cubes. And if you've never seen one of my packing videos, please check them out. I'll link that also in the description below. Some people do not use them, but I really enjoy and use packing cubes. It just helps me to organize and keep things just neat and where I want them to be, less wrinkled, I feel, at least, as well. So I will link all of those products in the description below, as well as the things that are going to be in my medicine bag or my makeup bag. And I'm not actually taking a carry-on this time. I'm going to put everything in the suitcase and just have a purse, but I'm going to show you the things that we're taking. All right, come on, let's go. All right, I just have about 25 more to go. Here we go. And yes, I am packing Downy Wrinkle Release to get the wrinkles out, because inevitably, whether I fold it or whether I roll it, there are some wrinkles. So if that's a big concern to you, I would definitely suggest taking some Downy Wrinkle Release, because I just won't have time to iron when I'm having a great time in Disney. Let's keep going. So in my one packing cube, I have all of the clothes that I'm going to be wearing for the week that I am there. I have underwear, I have tops and bottoms. I'm going to do something a little bit differently, just because, as you can see, it seems like it's bulging, but I actually have a lot more room that I can stuff my socks in on the side, and that's usually what I'll do. But actually, I'm going to take a second packing cube and pack my socks, my bras, and my sleepwear. So let's do that now. always bring extra underwear. So this packing cube has a lot more room. As I go through, I might find something else that I'd like to put in here, such as my hat. And then of course we're headed to Disney, so you have to have your rain suit. Rain suit. And now we have the majority of everything that I will be wearing in both of these two packing cubes. So that will leave room in our suitcase for things like the toiletry bag, our shoes, an umbrella, and things like that. Here is my suitcase, and I usually just pack a few dryer sheets. That's just the thing that I do. But I'm gonna pop these in here. So hopefully you can see, let me pick this up. That's one half of the suitcase, and I still have the other half that I can fill with other things. I don't know, let me make sure you can see that. This side is filled. My shoes can go in here, an umbrella, and other things that I'll need to take. My magic band will be in my purse with me, but let me show you what else can go right over here. Here is my hanging toiletry bag that I take usually, and it's packed. As you can see, it hangs once I get there. So please, as I stated, check out my other pack with me video. I have a pack with me video for cruising, and then I have one for just a carry-on. But in your toiletry bag, of course, these are all the things that you're not able to live without while you're there. You have your medications that are prescribed, and of course, any medications that you think you might need to take along with you. Bug spray. I'm sorry, I don't mean bug spray. I meant the Downy Wrinkle Release that I talked to you about. Hand sanitizer. Medications that maybe you think you shouldn't leave home without. Lysol, cough drops, dental floss, eye drops, aches and pain cream, hair ties, antiperspirant, body wash, a razor. In the front here, I have antibiotic ointment, toothache medication, a Vicks Vapor Rub nose stick, Carmex for your lips, anti-itch cream. Here in this area are my facial toiletries, my eye cream, my face cream, my cleanser. I have Tide pins to get out little stains that you might get. Once again, more medication. These are just some of the things. Of course, also, I'm going to add into their toothpaste, toothbrush, any hair care products that I might need, oil, sheen, sprays, conditioner, shampoo. That's also going to go in here, and then that will fit on this side of the suitcase. Well, that was easy enough. It doesn't take me very long to pack once I go ahead and sit down and decide on the outfits that I'm gonna wear, mix and match, make sure it looks okay, and then coordinate everything. Get my underwear, get my socks, if I'm going to wear some accessories. Like, I didn't show you my jewelry, but I just get the jewelry that I'm also going to take with me, and that will go either in my purse or carry on if I'm taking that, or I also sometimes just wrap it up and put that in my toiletry bag. It just depends. This vacation that I'm going on, I won't be wearing anything fancy, any jewelry that's really expensive. It'll be more like fun Disney wear and holiday trinkets and things of that nature. So I probably will just put that right in my purse. Also, of course, don't forget the things that you need, such as your tickets, money. I do have a video out that says you need to bring small bills. You know, you go to the bank and out of the machine, if you go to a teller machine, 50s come out, 20s come out. But I like to have 1s, 5s, and 10s also. So that is something that I'm going to go do tomorrow. I'm going to the bank and getting some smaller bills. I also, in the beginning of the video, showed you Disney gift cards. We went to Sam's Club and bought hundreds and hundreds of dollars of Disney gift cards because there is a savings with Disney gift cards. I think the $500 Disney gift card, you could purchase that for $486, something of that nature. So no, it's not this massive mind-blowing savings, but any savings that you can do when you're headed off to Disney is great because, you know, it is expensive. The tickets were expensive and it's going to be, you know, you have to buy the food there at the parks. So we want to do any savings that we possibly can. So I do recommend if you're able to, and there might be other savings that you know about, such as AARP or clubs, Costco, things of that nature where you can save some money. I highly recommend you check into those as well. We also secured our rides to and from the airport via Uber and to and from the airport once we get to Orlando. And I think it's not called the Sunshine Flyer anymore, but that ride system. We set that ride up, and for 2 people, it was go for a round trip. It was $67, if I'm not mistaken, 64. If I notice that it was less or more, I'll drop that information right here. So I hope that you were able to get some insights on packing and how to pack when you're going to Disney in the fall, winter months, and also when you're going to Disney for the holidays. You know, you might want to dress it up and, you know, get into that holiday spirit, although it is just right now, the end of November. But once we return, it'll be December. So I don't know how early you get into the Christmas spirit, but I like to take the festive outfits. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, if you want any of the information to the products that I have listed and the packing cubes, I will drop that in the description below. And also, if you are enjoying what you see and you'd like to support our channel, you are always able to drop us a super thanks. They're located right underneath the description part of the video. Thank you so much, everyone, for spending some time packing with me. I can't wait to see you on our trip to Disney World. Please follow us, like the video, share it with anybody that you think would be interested, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you at the next adventure.